In this video, I'll walk you through how to post a job vacancy on the platform. From the landing page, start by clicking on your profile image in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the Post a Job option. You'll be taken to the job posting plans. Choose the free option to publish a single job post, or select one of the paid plans if you want access to premium features, higher visibility, and multiple postings. Once you enter the job creation page, you'll need to fill out all the essential details just like the layout shown in the images. Begin by adding the job title, selecting the employment type, choosing the category, and setting the application deadline. Add your tags, required qualifications, industry, experience level, and career level. Then write a clear job description that communicates your expectations and responsibilities. Scroll down to add the location. Enter the city, country, and address, and confirm the precise location using the map section. Next, define the salary structure by choosing the salary type and entering the minimum and maximum pay range. You can also configure how applicants will apply by selecting the job apply type. After that, upload your media assets, your company logo, banner, and any relevant photos. If you have an introduction video, paste the video URL in the given field. Once all information is complete and accurate, simply click Save and Preview. Review the job post, make any final adjustments, and you're ready to publish. This workflow ensures your vacancy goes live with strong clarity, proper structure, and high applicant confidence.